Jan, I don't know 548. Jan, I don't know 540.
Okay. So I have created a new repo for you,
Ah,
which is you can say AI architect. Okay.
ah,
And whatever we learn,
ah,
I will put it here,
ah.
everything.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
So that everything is available for you on a single place. I
Okay,
don't want it should be placed on a multiple places or
okay,
multiple repo.
okay,
It is a single source for you.
okay,
So today we need to discuss about this Python basics,
okay,
where we will discuss about data type and
okay,
variables.
okay.
And here we will discuss about control flow, loops, and function.
Right.
Okay, we need to discuss for these four building blocks
Okay,
of a Python.
okay,
I'm considering this is a, you can say, foundation.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
And in the next class, what we will do, we will cover about collections
okay.
as well as this collection, yes, file handling.
Well handling. Okay,
Okay. And then next part, which we will consider as advanced, we will use error handling,
mm,
object oriented, virtual environment, and fit.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So
okay,
I divided this into three parts. Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
So what you understand from this? You can say what you understand from variable.
Oh, that is a temporary location where it will store some values. Once I restart my system or environment, those variables won't be there at all. So these variables will be used in many places in my programs.
Okay.
So and the variables can be of different types. For example, I can store any variable, the name. I can store a variable in age, that is a variable called age, which will be a number. Name will be only, for example, only alphabets, and the age will be number. Then with example, we have another data type, date. If I want to store date, I can store it as a character. So I need to have something called date data type. So where I store my DB date of birth as a data type. And at times I need boolean, like this, true of yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false. So for that data type is called this one, boolean data type is there. And then coming to numbers, sometimes I need to store the decimal. For example, the weight of a object. For example, say it is 150.5 kg. So I need to have a facility where I can store the decimal places. So that for that we have something called, I think I have come across that in C language or Java, like it's called as float. So these are the various variable, data types where in which I can use a variable and then perform my operations.
Okay. And what about uh, static typing and dynamic typing? Do you
Okay,
know
static.
that?
Okay, static type is that the word itself is static. That means once I define, it doesn't change. It's a general English meaning, but I know in the context of oops, static has got a different meaning. Long back I read that, now I've forgotten. But other context of the text in simple, plain English is it doesn't change. At the same time, there's something one more word called constant. So when once I define a variable as a constant, I cannot go and change the value of that variable. It will remain the same. For example, pi value 3.14, that cannot ever change. So I'll define a variable called m pi, and then assign value of 3.14 as a constant. So anywhere in the program, if I try to change, it will avoid. But otherwise, in the context of programming, static has got a lot other meaning, which I need to know more about it.
Okay. So let's do this quickly,
Ah,
and after that we will do a practical whatever we are going to do.
okay.
Okay. So first topic is variable and data type.
Hmm.
As you explained, it's the same thing.
Yes.
Means we have a different kind of data,
Ah,
and to handle that data,
hmm.
we have different kind of data types available in our programming as well.
Yes. Yes.
Like in a day-to-day life, we have number, we have a test where
Yes.
which will
Yes.
use for our name and the name.
Yes. Yes.
and we have a true false which will take a decision. We will
Yes.
prove it
Correct.
this way or not. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
And collection definitely to represent a group of entities.
Yeah.
We will not create a multiple variables. We will
Yeah.
put it into
Array.
a
Hmm.
yes. We will put it into a you can say
One.
one variable
Yes.
and use that.
Yes.
So
Correct.
so for that, based on the nature of the data, means some data will come up with the key value here, some will come up with the you can say this order,
Hmm.
maintain a order. Someone will not maintain a order.
Yeah.
Someone is good for fixed size. Someone is good for not good for fixed size. It should
Yes.
be a dynamic in nature.
Yes.
So based on that, we have a different collection available with us.
Correct.
Okay. So these are the things, and definitely when you are want to store,
Hmm.
okay, if you are going to use literal, then you can literally nothing which value which you can directly use,
Hmm.
which
Hmm.
is like 10.
Yeah.
10 is a numeric literal,
Yes.
and you can say
Yes.
double quote and put your name, it's a string literal.
Hmm. Hmm.
Right.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
same thing is here,
Hmm.
so we can do that as well.
Okay.
But but if you want to reuse the things,
Okay.
then you need to create a variable,
Okay. Right.
and variable have a name,
Hmm.
and variable have a means value, and
Yeah.
it has some memory location also, right?
Yes.
Where this value has been stored,
Yeah.
has stored, so you can refer that with the
Yeah.
help of name. Am I right?
Yes.
But here you are able to see think of variable like a label boxes. Okay.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So here label box is contain 25
Right.
and label box name contains test
Right.
only. Am I right? So it can store integer, decimal, string, test,
Yes.
yes, no, boolean.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So dynamic type language and strongly type.
Right.
Dynamically type, you can think of where you can means, let's say there's a one kind of tool
Hmm.
where
Hmm.
means user can means child can change their subject anytime,
Right. Ah. Yes.
or change their you can say classes anytime, and whatever they want to do they can do. They
Okay.
they will give out totally freedom to child. I mean,
Okay.
and another way is you can say whatever you adopt or you cannot change.
Hmm.
Am I
Hmm.
right? You cannot change. You
Hmm.
need to complete that.
Right.
Same thing is here. If you will give a, you can say, any value to the
Hmm.
variable,
Hmm.
you can change. This is a dynamic type.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And if means Python is also dynamic type.
Okay.
Let's say right now you will take this. Now, if you take this 10,
Yeah.
X is means storing number value.
Number value.
But
Okay.
in the next line, you can change the value to string as well. It will
Okay.
hold a string value.
Okay. Okay.
Now you need to understand what is this. Okay.
Right.
Memory model, variable, reference,
Right.
object with a type. Okay.
Right.
So X is a reference there and integer object.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the you can say syntax
Example.
which
Okay.
you
Fine.
can use.
Okay.
Okay, and in this we have a multiple assignment also available.
Okay. Okay. ABC. Okay. Fine. 1, 2, 3.
Means
Oh,
if it's the same, means you can do that.
okay.
Okay, and
Deepak, but by chance, can I say 1, 2, within the single code ABC?
yes, it's assigned to this in a order. It's assigning
Okay.
ABC.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, and dynamic typing, as I told you, this is
Yes.
available.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so data types, numeric type is there, which can store. You can say complex number, and complex number start with a Z.
Oh,
J,
complex.
J.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
and all are numeric type.
oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, and
String.
we have a string as
In,
well with the help of you can use double quote and single quote.
okay. Okay.
and we have a boolean
Boolean, yes,
as well. Okay,
yes, yes.
and we have a list, as I
Ah,
told you, based on the nature. If you
ah,
require data need to be changed, then you go with the this, and you start with a square bracket. It will
right.
not start with the circular bracket. But
Okay, okay, okay.
tuple is a immutable. You cannot change the
You
value.
can't change it.
So,
Okay.
means sometime means this much data you have.
Ah,
It's not gonna increase. It's not gonna decrease. Then
yes.
you go for this tuple only, because in this manner it will improve your speed.
Right, right,
Am I right?
right,
And this is a set, is when you want unique values on.
right.
It will not allow you to store the duplicate value.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a way, and dictionary key value pair, where we will store the data in a key value pair, and with the help of key we are able to access the data.
Okay.
Okay, to check a type, because it's important to check a type, even
Okay.
though it's a dynamic, but
Ah.
to perform some operation is applicable for only int, some operation applicable for only string. Am I right? So if you will not able to check, how you will perform that operation accurately.
Yeah, correct.
For that we have a type
Okay.
function. With the help of that you can check the type. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay.
And you can say type conversion in a day-to-day life as well. Let's say you have a note, 100 rupees note, you need to convert that into, you can say, coins,
Okay.
or you can say smaller notes, 5
Okay.
rupees note, 10
Okay.
rupees note. Am I
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So conversion is required,
Right.
and conversion is two type. One is, you can say, implicitly, one is explicitly. Am
Okay.
I right?
Right.
So implicitly, when you are converting you can say, bigger thing to smaller, uh,
Ah.
smaller thing to bigger thing.
Okay.
So
Okay.
bigger thing have more capacity, so it will observe smaller thing very easily.
Okay.
Am I right? But if you are trying to do this vice versa, then there's a loss. Am I
Okay.
right? If there is a loss, then it will tell you, hey, boss, there is
Oh.
a loss.
Okay.
Now, if you want to do, you need to tell me explicitly.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Okay. So these are the some your real use cases which you can use,
Okay.
like for this debugging and common mistake.
Okay.
Mixing type. When you
Okay.
are going to do
Character
this,
and the number. Yes. Okay.
for that you need to do type conversion.
Okay. Okay.
And right now this is a tuple, and you are assuming you can change the value. You can't.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Wrong Boolean use if false. This is a string. This is not a. You can say this.
Correct. String. Yeah. Correct. Yes. Within the quotes. Yes.
Yes. Deep concept.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mutable versus list, dictionary, and set. These are mutable.
Yeah.
But
Right.
string and tuple both are not mutable.
Okay.
Okay. Identity versus equality.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mean this is a, you can say, this is your, it will check the equality.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But this will check this will related to this or not.
Hmm.
Both are different, identity
Ah.
and this.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the practice things which we need to do.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So for that, what we will learn. So there we can create a variable. So this is a list.
Okay.
You can do that, and so variable watch list. tuple set dictionary. Okay.
Hmm.
So these are the things we will type. Okay.
Okay.
And we will have a second away. Okay.
Okay.
So open over and okay.
Okay.
Here, if you're able to see, means both are, you can say this, storing a uh, this age in true value equal,
Okay.
but they have a different reference. They are
Okay.
referring a different object. That's why they are different as an
Oh.
identity. Okay,
Okay.
so that's the thing. Any question or concern, Shridhar?
No, see here only one doubt I was having is, for example, in case of dictionary example, Deepak, okay. Now we are hard coded a name, alias, age within the code, but in real life, I mean, very rarely we'll be hard coding it. So can I read, for example, there's a CSV file. From there, I need to put into this dictionary. Is it possible?
Yes, yes, why not? That's
No.
why we have a dedicated chapter there.
Oh, dictionary. Oh, okay, 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 okay,
Okay, that's why I'm saying we have a dedicated chapter. We will check. Okay.
okay. Right, right, right,
Now we need to, you can say this control flow.
right.
Okay, now control flow, we have this, you can say, we have a different flavor of if else, like if else, elif, okay,
Oh, okay.
and nested if else,
Next
uh,
day. Okay.
elif ladder. So
Ah,
these are the things, let's say, if you want to check age is greater than equal to this, then you have a one only one choice.
okay.
You can say this. It's, if is there,
Ah,
Alif is there,
mm,
if is there,
okay.
if else is there, if else, and if nested is there. Okay.
Okay.
So this is called a normal if, where we will check if condition is true, then we are good.
Okay.
Otherwise, we are not moving forward. We don't have a two ways, only one way. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And but here we are saying if age is, you can say this,
Mm,
else you will go with this.
right.
Okay. And in a, you can say this, obtained mark, obtained marks,
Ah,
right? So if this is this, then fine. Otherwise, your grade is decreased,
okay.
right?
Okay.
So this is a thing. If nothing is met, then you have a this grade.
Yes. I'll find.
Below, yes,
Right.
below this,
Yes. Okay.
below 70, this year's grade. Okay.
Okay. Ah,
So this is a way, and apart from that, we have a match as well. Okay.
ah,
So where you will say, let's say you have a, can say day number, like 3. Okay. And here we will say match number case Monday, Tuesday. Okay. So
okay.
on so forth.
Okay.
So here means in a else if ladder,
Ah,
we are checking a different condition. But
right. Right.
but here, if you have a single value, but
Ah,
it can, based on a case, it can print something else, then you can go with that. You
correct.
understand my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Ah,
so you have a match there. Okay, so these two things means in another language we will consider match as a switch case,
right,
but here we have a this.
right.
So, do you have any question or concern?
No, this I have gone through. This is okay. This is okay, Deepak, because even in Java I encountered this, C language I encountered. Fine, it's possible. I understood this.
But here you need to keep this thing in mind.
Ah,
Here we don't have this. You can say
switch.
indentation is the only one thing with the help of that Python can understand
Oh, okay.
because Python believe in simplicity and flexibility.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
so even though these are not required.
Okay,
Okay, so
okay,
those things you need to take care. It's
okay.
worked on indentation. Let's
Mm.
let's quickly go through the theory, and if you have any question or concern,
Ah,
feel free to ask. Okay.
yeah, okay, okay.
So which code run based on a condition? It will
Mm,
decide. Am I
mm,
right?
mm, mm,
So here two main tools we have:
mm.
if, else. Am I right?
Yes, yes,
And you can say match case pattern based on the decision making.
right,
It's introduced in this.
right.
Okay. Control program behave dynamically. Implement business logic, handle different scenarios, API response, user role, and error.
Right, right.
In a real scenario, we will use that. If we will go to success, then we will display in this manner. If we will not get error, then we will need to display this. Okay. While we will develop a API, then we will use this.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
That's why I told you foundation is required.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, if we not do this,
Ah,
okay,
ah, ah.
then you are confused with the Java only because
Yeah, correct.
there is a difference between both the language.
Oh, okay, okay, Deepak, okay.
Understand my point?
Okay, Deepak, okay.
So validation, when to use validation request status. So plain English, think of traffic signal.
Oh,
If green is there, go.
ah,
That stop.
ah,
Yellow wait. Am I right?
ah. Yeah,
So based on a condition, it will work. Am I right?
correct.
Is your car will you are cross that road or not? Or you can cross that roundabout or not?
Ah,
Based on a red light, it will decide.
right, 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 right.
Okay, so in an engineering view, input is there. It will check the condition here, and against condition there is a branch,
Yeah, correct.
and based on that it will work. Am I
Right,
right?
right,
So Boolean expression derive decision only one branch executes. Nested logic create complex flow.
right.
So here base, if you want to check only one, if
Ah,
you check both the things, if I have a money, then I will uh, go with family to watch movie in a this theater. Otherwise, I will spend time at a home. Am I
okay,
right?
okay.
So it's a multiple condition we
Right.
checked earlier. And nested we not use thing, but it's a thing.
Okay.
Means let's say you want to compare three numbers.
Ah.
First we will compare first number with the second one, and then if means first one is bigger, then inside that only you will check. You
Okay.
can say if inside if block only you will check is if it is greater
Ah,
from a third number or not. If
right.
it's a greater, then it's greater. Otherwise,
Ah,
third is greater because
ah.
we already checked with the second one.
Okay, okay.
You understand my point?
Right, right, right.
So those things maybe you require, you can
Hmm.
do that.
Okay,
And here we have this another thing as well, which you can consider.
okay.
Okay, login validation you can think of, and these are the operator, logical operator is there, and you need to write this
Hmm.
and or. Okay,
Ah,
and you have that relationship operator as well. So I'm assuming you already know this
ah, ah.
operator.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so here you need to know this.
Ah,
If you have any value is there,
ah,
right,
ah.
then it will consider that as the truth. Means this value is there. That means uh, it will consider this is a true. Makes sense.
Okay.
If you are using the value node there, even
Ah,
though it's a tuple, it's a string,
ah.
then it will consider this as a false. So
Oh,
these
oh.
things should be considered as a false.
Okay, okay, okay,
You understand my point?
okay, okay, okay.
If you are comparing to one thing,
Ah,
means one variable, the
ah.
value is there, then it will consider it's a true.
Right.
Right? The value not there is considered false. So
Okay,
sometimes you guys means lot of people confused about this concept.
okay, okay.
Okay, and this is a short circuit which we will check. It's a worked on a truth table. If both are true, then it will consider true. Am I
Oh,
right?
okay, 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 okay.
Okay.
Right, right, right.
So these are the practice for you.
Okay.
And now loops. So what do you understand from loops?
This I want to do my repeated thing for n number of times. So I keep I can use a loop, or I want to increment uh, from 1 to 10 and do some operations. I use a loop for that.
Yes. So for that we have a for loop is there. Am I right?
Yes.
For loop is there where we will say this based on a range we can do that.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
And you can say so this is the thing which you
mm.
can consider, and we have you can say this for loop as I told as you told me, then we have a while loop as well.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Ah,
And apart from that, if you have a collection,
ah,
then you have this in
okay,
as well. Am I
okay,
right?
okay,
Just one for each is also there.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So these things is there. So based on that, it will make simple
Mm,
things.
mm,
Am
mm,
I right?
mm.
So based on that, it will become easy. Otherwise, to do this, we need to do you can say do the initialization, comparison, and things.
Ah,
It will make the things easier. But
okay,
we will, with this knowledge, let's check this theory part.
okay.
So here we have means as you told means when you have a thing. Let's say you want to perform a same operation
Yeah.
on a group of people or group of items, am I
Ah,
right?
ah.
Or you want to do the repetition. Let's say you want to find one letter from a pile of letters, then you need to organize and iterate, check each and every letter and
Ah.
compare with your finding. Am I right?
Okay.
If match is there, that means you are good. You are doing the means you are matching. There
Right.
you are matching only.
Right.
So for that we have something
Ah.
with the help of that we can achieve that
Okay.
repetitive work.
Okay. Okay.
For that we have a loops available with us.
Okay.
Okay. Where we will tell them, hey, this how much this much record we have or this much data we have,
Okay.
and we need to perform this
Okay.
operation on a particular item.
Yes.
Each and every item we need to check that. Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So for that we have you can say this have two parts. One uh, is initialization.
Okay.
Three parts is there. Initialization from where our loop will start. Am I right?
Okay.
It will start from zero static point. Condition should be there, and after condition, what means increment or decrement part is there means
Mm.
steps. These four
Okay.
steps, am I right?
Okay.
And after that, you need to tell them means what it will do.
Okay.
Means if condition is true and we will get item, what we will do with that? That's a called body.
Okay.
Am I
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So we have two things with us: for loop and while.
Hmm.
So it will for loop iterate over a sequence. When you have a list, string, range,
Range.
then loop run till a condition become false.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
mainly you can use when you have a collection, then you go with this.
Correct.
When you have a condition, if condition is false, then it will break, then you go with this.
Right.
Means here you know the things in
Yeah.
advance.
Yeah.
Right. Means these are fixed.
Hmm.
Okay. But here you don't know how many
Don't know.
items are there.
Ah.
Right.
Hmm. So while at least once it will execute, at least once it will come inside, then condition will be checked.
Means yes means it will check the condition, then it will allow to
About, yes, that's what. Yes.
avoid writing repetitive code. So why we require
Ah,
to
ah.
avoid process collection automatic workflow.
Right. Right.
Okay, so let's say you write a program where you want to give a choice to the user. Hey, if you want to calculate more,
Ah. Ah.
then just enter this. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
If you don't want to exit, then click on exit only.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
Like that kind of program also written with the help of loop only.
Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is a thing when to use. Okay, plain English. Think of loop like a daily routine. Fixed schedule. Do workout in a 5 times.
Hmm.
Then go for this.
Right.
Otherwise, work until task is done.
Ah.
Go for while.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Right. Right. Right.
So as I told you, start is there, condition is there, condition, iterable, execute, repeat, and exit.
Exit. Ah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So same thing with this, even though both are different, but this is applicable for both.
Okay.
And so controlled iteration, condition driven loop.
Hmm.
Okay, must
Hmm.
ensure exit condition, avoid infinite loop.
Okay.
Okay, there should be some condition.
Condition. Yes.
So for loop, here you are able to see this, which
Yeah.
will check. Am I right?
Yes.
Based on a range.
Yes.
And we have a, you can say tuple, and we are iterating. Right. So with the help of this string, you can also do that.
Okay.
String is nothing, it's a, you can say, collection of characters.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So while loop is also there, which will check that loop control.
Okay.
Let's say, as I told you, if you find your match,
Hmm.
then you don't need to move forward. I mean, right?
Correct.
You can
Correct.
break that as.
Right. Right.
And we have this continue,
Hmm.
means we are saying, hey, skip this and
Hmm.
go up and start from there. It will skip that. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
When you don't want to do anything, then you will pass.
Oh, PSS. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Right. Right.
So real world use cases like this API data. I mean, right? We
Ah.
want to check that
Ah.
retry logic,
Okay.
search in a list.
Okay.
Okay. Common infinite loop. You are
Okay.
not, it's always true. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
And for getting increment. Right now you forget it's also infinite. Am I
Ah.
right?
Ah.
Modifying list while iterating.
Right.
When you are going to modify, you are doing performing operation on this list only, and you
Ah.
are going to change that, which is not a recommended.
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
So these are the, you can say this start. This is a starting point of the range. This is a stop and steps. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a range. Okay.
Ah.
Nested loop. Here, as I told you, nested is possible for each and everything.
Okay.
Nested if else, nested, you can say this
Okay.
for as well. So loop plus if. So whatever we discussed earlier, you can combine that as
Okay.
inside a loop. You can check the condition as
Condition. Okay, fine. Okay.
well. Okay.
Ah.
Any question or concern, Sridhar?
No, because a few things I had known, but it's okay. It's okay.
But you learn something new as well. So
Yeah,
you need
correct.
to
Yes, yes.
keep eye on that
Ah, ah, ah,
and means revise that and do your hand dirty there.
ah,
Otherwise, you
ah.
will not feel confident,
Correct.
and you will do the mistake when you will move forward
Hmm.
and do a real stuff.
Correct.
You understand? Because core language are base.
Ah, 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 ah.
Okay. So now we have a loop.
Ah.
Now, what you understand from function? Why we need to use function?
Yeah, function, for example, let's say I want to convert this one. Meter to centimeter. It's a very simple example I'm giving. I want to convert. Uh, I'm giving input in meters. That should convert into centimeters. So what I do is I write a simple function. Let us say no that need is there in many places. So what I do, I write one simple function which will return a numeric value to me, and then which will have the functionality of converting the centimeters to centimeters. And then I call that function in many places. Wherever I want, I simply call it. Instead of rewriting it every time, I call that function wherever I want.
Yes. So basically, let's say uh, addition. Am I
Ah,
right?
ah,
Maybe you need to do the addition
hmm,
for multiple value.
ah,
Right? Multiple places you require that addition.
correct.
Am I
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So based on that, what you can do rather than means repeating the 3 4 lines again and again. Am I
Ah,
right?
ah,
What you will do, you will write a function.
ah,
It's a reusable unit.
right.
Okay,
Right.
where you can based on a parameter you can work.
Ah,
Okay,
ah,
so there is a different kind of para means one there
hmm,
is a name is there, am I
ah,
right? And you need to use this def keyword, and
okay.
you will have a parenthesis body. Okay,
Ah, 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 ah,
so and parenthesis body, and you have a body.
okay. Okay.
Okay, inside that, what you will do is whatever this function will perform, you
Ah,
need to write that.
ah.
You understand my point?
Right. Right.
Here, this is adding, this is multiplying, and this
Multiplying,
subtracting,
subtracting. Yeah.
dividing. So tomorrow, if you want to uh, do this addition for another value, you can do
Ah,
that. Am I right?
Okay.
So this is a beauty, and we have a different flavor available with us in
Ah,
this function. One is without this, which will do only one thing, whatever you mention in a body. Am I right?
okay. Okay.
If you want it will work according to your input, then you need to provide an input. You
Ah.
understand my point?
Right. Right. Right.
And if you want, it should be, you can say, fixed with these things only. It will
Hmm.
respect your position.
Ah.
If you change the position, then you will get a different result.
Okay. Okay.
You understand my point?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then you can this a position based, and sometime you want, if user will give a value, that's fine. If user will not give a value, then I will go with the default value. That's
Okay.
also possible.
Okay. Okay.
You understand my point?
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine.
So here we can say positional arguments. Okay.
Hmm.
So here def greeting. So
Hmm.
this.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. So this is a position based.
Okay.
If you change this position,
Ah.
let's say hello, message hello,
Ah.
to change this position, then output will also change. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you need to maintain the order. Okay.
Right. Right. Right.
And you can say this is a key arguments. Here you need to pass this as a with the help of name, with the help of name. Okay.
Okay.
So here position it doesn't matter because it's referring from this name.
Okay. 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 Got it. Okay. Reference. Okay.
Okay, somewhere you don't know you don't know the means you want this a default message.
Mm.
If user want to change, user can pass. Otherwise,
Mm.
it will take this up.
Okay, okay, fine.
You understand my point?
Yes, yes, Deepak,
If
yes.
user want to change, then user can change.
Change,
Okay.
okay, right.
And sometimes we don't know the you can say length in
Ah,
advance. How
ah,
many parameter user need to pass? Then we
correct.
have a work array.
Oh, oh, okay, okay,
You understand my point?
okay, okay.
And if we don't have a you can say this thing,
Ah,
then sometimes you are able to see right now I'm passing multiple.
ah, 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 ah.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you let's say want to pass this, if you right now,
Ah,
so here you are passing this, you can say this only, but sometimes you need to pass as a this work item is key value pair. Am I right?
okay, okay, okay.
Then you can do this way.
Ah, okay, okay,
Okay, so it's
okay,
also dynamic.
okay,
You can pass multiple things as per
okay,
your need.
okay, fine, okay.
So these things are there.
Hmm,
Okay,
hmm, hmm.
and you can pass one function as a argument to another function.
Oh, function we can pass, is it? Oh, okay, okay.
That's called function programming.
Oh, oh, okay, fine, okay, fine, okay,
You understand my point?
okay, okay, okay,
And lambda is also there.
okay, okay.
Okay, lambda function is also there, which is a precise. Am I
Ah,
right?
okay.
And for that you need to write this lambda. And if you don't have this, you can say multiple parameters are not there, then you can skip the parenthesis.
Oh, oh, okay,
If you have, then you can't skip.
okay,
Understand my point?
okay, okay, Deepak.
So higher order function means when you pass a function as a parameter to another function, and when a function return another function, that's called higher order function.
Oh, oh,
Means higher order function. Let's say you are citizen of India, you can visit anywhere in India without any permission. You can travel air, road, and things.
ah,
Am I
ah,
right?
ah,
So same thing in a function programming means function are first class citizen.
ah.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
So with this knowledge, do you have any question or concern?
Now here, function to function, you told, okay, one function. Okay, so that means the return type also should be a function, Deepak, here. We call a function as a function, another function.
It can be. Yes, it can be. But
Okay.
here I am passing this as a parameter.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
right now passing is secure square
Ah,
method as
okay.
a
Ah,
argument. Okay.
okay.
So with this knowledge, could we check the theory part?
Ah, yes, sure, sure.
So here, if you check this, we
Hmm.
have this. So as I told you, means it's a reusable thing. Perform a specific task.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes,
Instead of
yes.
repeating logic, you can define once, reuse
Hmm.
many times.
Ah, okay, okay.
So why avoid duplicate code? Duplication improve readability, enable modular design,
Okay.
essential for API backend and system without function, messy, repetitive, maintainable code.
Hmm.
When to use?
Ah,
Repeated logic, API
hmm.
calls. You
Hmm.
need to perform same kind of operation.
Correct, correct.
The only thing means data is changing. Why you are
Ah,
not writing a function?
ah, ah,
Let's say whatever we done earlier in a if condition,
ah,
you can say, let's say you want to print the table.
ah,
Why
ah,
you are not putting the, you can say, why you are not creating a, you can say, function.
ah.
Based on an input, it will work.
Right, right.
Based on your enter number, it will work. Am I
Mm,
right?
mm, mm, mm,
For you can say compare three number. Why you are just putting that comparing three number only? Why you
mm.
are not write a function which will compare and give you a result?
Ah, ah.
Am I right?
Okay,
So for that you can rewrite it. Like in
okay.
your database, you will write procedures. Am I
Ah,
right?
ah, ah,
Or
ah.
you will write a views.
Yes.
So same thing here.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Okay. 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 Okay.
So this is a basic function here. You are able to see if you call this, it will print hello.
Oh, right. Right.
Okay.
Right.
And if you want to do something and you want to use
Ah,
whatever your function is doing, you want to choose as a that output as a in means next first next function or next way it's an input.
okay.
Then you want the return
Right.
here. Am I
Right.
right?
Right.
So here parameter type, required position parameter. So these are the thing. Means here we must pass in order. Positional one. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Which I
Mm-hmm.
showed. And
Mm-hmm.
optional means if you mention this, then it will consider this. If you will
Okay.
pass the value, then it will consider that one.
Okay.
Okay, so these are named, you can pass. There is no need to maintain the order because you are referring from a name.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so these are the required name parameters.
Okay. Okay.
So you are here saying these are the required. You
Mm.
cannot skip because we are not mentioning this.
Right.
Variable length means we don't know. Multiple positions should be there, and you
Mm.
cannot know the in advance. Am I right?
Correct.
But you want it's totally up to user. Am I
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So
Mm.
you can
Mm.
go with this.
Mm.
And when you require this keywords
Mm.
means
Mm.
when you require a parameter with you don't know the length, but
Mm.
you require in a key value, then you
Okay.
go with this.
Okay.
Okay, nullable parameter. So you can do that and you can check that as well. Means you
Okay.
can assign a none value as well.
Okay.
Initially you don't know the value, you can do that.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Function as a parameter. As I
Ah,
told you, so this as a function as a parameter, high order function, right?
okay. Okay.
And here you are calling this one.
Mm. Mm.
Means outer function calling a function and providing a value. Here
Ah.
in a square, it will take a one input
Mm.
parameter and calculating the square and returning that.
Right. Right.
So if you call this and you will print that, you will get this 25. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So here we have a return type, single return type, multiple return type. You
Oh,
can,
multiple also there is it. Oh, okay. Okay. I didn't
yes,
know
in a
that.
Python is there.
Oh, great. Okay. Fine.
You understand my point? If you
Ah.
will, here you are able to see it is doing that. And
Oh.
for to store, you
Ah.
can store in a two variable.
Oh, so flexible. Okay.
So real world use cases. So this is returning a means returning a this tuple, and here we have a validation function to return true false. Am I right?
Okay.
And this is a logic. Common mistake: mutable default argument. Don't
Mm.
pass mutable thing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Fix list now.
Mm.
Okay. Missing return.
Okay.
Return now. Am I right?
Okay.
Confusing arc versus VR.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh.
First class functions. Deep concept. First class function, like here you are able to see the string. Right.
Right.
So here, whatever you're doing, you are assigning this
Ah.
to a variable. You can assign. Am I right?
Okay. Okay.
And this is a lambda.
Ah.
Okay. So
Okay.
lambda, which we checked earlier.
Ah.
Okay, and closer. You are able to see this is the inside of this only.
Yeah.
There is no existence
Okay.
of this inner function outside. It's
Okay.
accessible, it's a closed inside your outer function.
Okay. Okay.
That's called closure.
Okay.
And it's used for multiple places and means for framework development, we will use this closure.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Right, Deepak. Okay.
done with foundation. Any question or concern?
Now simple. Today evening, I have to simply run through and then do, work on practical part.
Yes.
So I can use VS editor, VS, and then run this, right?
You need to set up Python as you need to install Python as well. You need to clone this repo. Then you are able to do that.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Okay.
Okay, Deepak, I'll do that. I will just experiment that.
And if you think you require one day break, then
Ah,
you can do that. That's not an issue.
okay.